Hello, this is regarding ICP 8 submission for web and mobile programming. Today we are given a basic task web task where we need to create a login page. Follow on we need to create a logout and login page for navigation and simple HTML tag. Initially, I have created an empty activity with Java as my language, and I have used text view for this application login application text username as a text view and enter username. This is my plain text where I have given ID as edit text user. Same with password. This is text view and this is plain text where I have given edit text password as my ID to access the data from the user. And this is my login button, and this is my attempt left, which is a text view. Coming to Java, where everything have given everything have assigned with an particular ID. Each everything has its own unique ID. Coming to main activity, this is our JavaScript. Basically, we call it as JavaScript, where we gonna connect our .xml file with our JavaScript using set content view, where this particular method uh, helps us to communicate with the .xml file. How initialize your variables, and this is my edit text variable type. This is my text view button view, and I have declared variables with type as string, and I have made everything as private, not to access to the other classes in the other packages. And where I assign this particular value to the user name variable using find by id. Based upon the id, the value of binding of variables to their respective xml layout element has been happened when we click on login button. This method gonna execute when on click execution, where I created a string with name as input user name, where we'll get the text message from the we'll get the data from the user in the form of string. We'll get the data and convert into string. And now we'll compare whether inputs are present or not. If it was not present, we use toast to show a message. And again, if inputs were present, then we will compare with the declared variables, or we'll compare with the user inputs with the declared variables. If both were true, then we will navigate to the home page using intent, or else I'm incrementing the step down to show the number of logins. And if the step down was 0, then I am going to disable the login button using set enabled as false. And coming to main activity, it contains only intent page. When we click on particular logout button using set on example, then it will navigate to the main page. And this is my home page where I have used a image tag, text view tag, and a logout button. This is my ICP 8 submission. Thank you.